Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name is Chris Plant, and today we're going to make a practical guide on how to use AI to develop a logo and title design for this video. First, we'll need to find an AI tool that can help us create our logo. Of course, there's many different types of AI tools out there, but for this tutorial, we'll be using bing.com/create, and we're going to construct some key examples there. Next, we're going to create an AI robot in this visual together, and this can be done using Dream Studio, and also we'll use bing.com for that too. All of these are powerful tools that can help us create high quality graphics and animations in a matter of minutes. And then we can have a quick look at some of the latest high-end imagery on Midjourney with Discord. I'd like to use Google Bard also throughout today, a tool that uses NLP, natural language processing, to help us generate creative ideas for our design. This, of course, can be incredibly useful for any of us that are struggling with writer's block or even a lack of inspiration. Now, there's no lack of inspiration today, I can assure you. And finally, we'll use Photoshop for editing and the preparation of our graphic. And I'm going to show you also how we created our Voice of AI logo as well. So let's get started. Okay, so here I am in bard.google.com. I've already asked my first question for my logo brand ideas, and you can see here that there's some pretty good ideas. Now I'm going to put in the prompt based on the following text. Please give me some color palette examples. So let's have a look what we've got here. Okay, these are some color palettes to give me some ideas. Monochrome, simple, elegant color palette that uses only one color. Okay, this is pretty cool. Timeless and classic, I like that. Right then, so let's have a new prompt. Give me some taglines for the Voice of AI. Okay, let's put that in there and off we go. And so taglines: the future of communication, the power of AI at your fingertips, AI that listens, learns, and responds. Right, I really like these. Okay, so I think we're ready now to go into Bing. So let's pop across to Bing. Okay, here we are in bing.com/create. Okay, so first of all, I want to put in my first prompt at the top there. Give me an AI robot created from multi-models. So let's see what it brings up. Okay, pretty cool. The silver robot, the blue light, that's exactly what I like. It's not what I want at the moment, so let's put in a repeat command as well now, and let's put in numbers and text floating in the background. Okay, that's cool, and got a bit of cloudy smoke. This is what I like too, and these images are good, a little bit old-fashioned robot. So let's go for more like a humanoid character now. So human-looking robot. Okay, let's have a look what we've got here. Okay, these are better, and I've also gone for the wide angle lens as well on this one. So this is a bit more of a prompt as well. Let's have a look. Right, okay, so here we go. These are really cool now. So this is perfect. This reminds me of a Radiohead cover. So let's save this one. That's very good indeed. Love it. I'm going to take this one now into Photoshop, and I'm going to adjust the hues and saturation here. Just put the curves up a bit. Here we go. Let's straight into the hues. And let's put this onto a blue tone. We'll just move this dial up here to blue. Let's put the lightness up and the saturation a bit higher. Okay, that's a nice tone. A little less purple, a little more blue. Very good. More saturation. Okay, I'm happy with that. So you can see we've already got our robot now. Brilliant quality as well. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Right, now let's go into Dream Studio, and we're going to also create another robot with the same prompt. Just paste that in there. A futuristic humanoid, dark blue background with smoke and cloud, and the robot numbers and text floating in the background, wide angle lens looking upward. All right, nice, like it. Okay, let's download that one as well. Very cool indeed. And we're going to take that one into Photoshop and just have a look at it against my other model, which is cool. Here we go, just download that and let's open that in Photoshop. Okay, cool, and you can see I've put my Radiohead cover because it just really reminds me of the old Radiohead cover. Now let's go to the Voice of AI and the logos that I was creating before. Now I've saved these images, and you can see that the prompt was simply create a logo for the Voice of AI, and you can see all these nice logos, and I've got groups of 4 here. You can see them all here, and I was looking for a nice image, a bit of blue tone, but something really cool. And then I stumbled across this one, which was really good. So this set started to become nicer. It's got the V tone, but look at what's possible. You can really do anything here at all. And if I go to the next one here we go, and you can see our logo is just here. So here, look, you can see the voice of, and then I thought, okay, what can we do on that? I want to get AI into this somehow. So what I did was I copied this and downloaded that, and then we took it into Photoshop, which was exactly the right way to do it. Then I copied these V's, took them off, and repasted the background there. So I had exactly the symbol in the back. And then we put in the VO and the A and the I. You can see the I is sideways there and the A is an upside down V. And of course we put the voice of AI down at the bottom there, and all of these different layers. You can see here that if I just switch off the layers here, okay, there we go. You can see that the background is fully made, and those little spots there are ones that I copied round to cover the old lettering in the past. And here you go, that's the voice of AI logo, and that's how simple it was to make it. So now I'm going to bring it into my image of the humanoid robot, and let's muck about with that now. Let's bring the black tone down underneath, and what I want to do is I want to fade that tone out now. So I'm going to take the airbrush tool, just take away the rubber tool. I like to use airbrush and rubber. So the rubber here is just going to take away some of the blackness, but I want to leave in the nice robot. So I just do that on a separate layer and just take away a little bit there. But you can see the background is looking really nice now. Let's have a little look, put those into a group, and put those together, and we'll make that in one group just to tidy up my palette on the right hand side there. Okay, I've merged those together now. Just throw away a layer I don't want now. Oh no, oh, not that one. Let's just, okay, that's the VOAI. Okay, so the voice of AI. So that looks pretty smart now. I like that. And let's just adjust the colorization of that tone. You can see that I could even change anything on the logo I want to do, give it any sort of tone here, but I'm going to leave it as a white tone, so we won't do that. But look, and you see when you zoom in, it's a white tone as our logo is. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that now, and I'm going to, let's just put that back down again. Okay, and I'm going to save that now. And output that as well now. So there we go, voice of AI humanoid. So this will be our main graphic today for our video to use. I've got Discord open on another window now, so let's just pop into Discord here. Okay, here we go. You can see that there's quite a few images. Let's click on the first one here. And look, this is a nice, interesting one. These are all really, really great images. And you can see the prompt here. A woman with relaxed expression is holding a delicious Cornish pasty in her hand, but you can really get some fantastic effects. Look, here's another one as well with a Christmas scene. I really like that. Presentation shoot with a Christmas winter atmosphere. So these prompts are really, really interesting. Here's some anime as well. You can see that really you can create anything, and these are mind-blowing, these images. Really, really good. You can also go from you see I'm on the newbies here on the side. We can go down also to let's say some general area. Let's have a look at this one, and you can see some really cool images here as well, some nice AI shots, computer imagery. So guys, I hope you learned from our how-to tutorial today, and if you've got any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. I'd appreciate that very much. And thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from The Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.